In this video, I'll show you how to activate promo code on 888stars. This is very simple. Subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So to activate a promo code on 888stars, here's what to do. You're going to come back to registration and choose the last option that says by email, because that's the only option that's going to work in activating a promo code. Once you're here, fill in your name, your surname, your email address, choose a currency that works for you and also your country. Then create a password. To create a good password, follow the instructions and your password is okay. Then in the promo code box, you're going to use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, 88 stars is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300. Once that is done, click on these three boxes and then register your account. After registering your account, complete your verification with your email address and then head over to depositing your first money to your 88 stars account. Once that is done, your promo code is going to be activated and you'll receive your bonus.